Hi, my name is Mohammad Faisal Bari. The name of our project is Arduino-based lead-acid battery capacity tester with a local display and Microsoft Excel-based data logger. So, an update on the previous video that I posted on YouTube. This video, I'm showing the final product, final PCB that has been, all the components have been soldered to board, and everything has been secured so it can be put into a box and put into and be given out as a final product. So here the only dangling part I have is my high power resistor. So the resistor will be attached to the on top of the box with a heatsink. The heatsink is yet to be sourced, so that's why I have left it dangling, and the prongs are not insulated yet because I have to take them off in order to connect it to the heatsink. Other than the resistor, everything else has been put in place and soldered together. So if I turn it on the back of my board, this is my circuit, and this is the Arduino, and everything has been soldered together, and the wires has been cut short in order to connect them to the Arduino, and this wire has been cut short as well in order to connect to my current sensor, my voltage sensor, and the relay. As you can see here, the USB is used to log data in Excel, and my outlet has been secured with hot glue, so it can be taken off by external force because this wire will be outside the box and will be connected to the battery. So as you can see here, the wire is connected to the battery and it is running. Also an update, the wire I have the color coding is a little mismatched. So black is my negative terminal, red is my regular terminal, and black is my positive terminal. So in the final iteration I will fix the color coding as well. Now if we go into the Excel, we will be able to see the stream of data that is coming in, and it's updating. So channel 1, this column is how long it's been running. It's in seconds, so every second it updates, and this is the battery voltage, and this is where the time versus battery voltage is logged. So in the final product I will put the chart title and everything. And this is my laptop screen. A couple updates over the past algorithm that I have used. Instead of using battery carved, I am draining the battery full and recording the charge, and I am gonna charge the battery up again and record it in order for accuracy and repeatability. So stay tuned for the final packaging for the product I have here. Thank you.